Hello friends, how are you doing? I Shrike back with another video, and in this video we are going to look at a window manager DK in ShrikeLinux, and DK I think was created or was developed by a person who was developing the team which was developing ArchLabs, and before ArchLab was ShrikeLinux was I was inspired by ArchLabs because when I heard that in 2023 they released the last release, and they say that they are stopping there. So because I loved so much ArchLabs, I decided to create my operating system, ShrikeLinux. And then when I was creating it, this developer helped me a lot to fulfill my goal to create ShrikeLinux. The name is always disturbs me to pronounce. I used to call him Nate. So he helped me a lot to make ShrikeLinux work, and not one day or one time, whenever I got any hindrance, I used to write an email to him. He replied, and he helped me really to see that I have a ShrikeLinux, and I was inspired by ArchLabs. That's why even you can see the theming. I have that theme. Okay, it's not that exactly for ArchLabs, but again you can see the theming. Yeah, so today I decided to, and also I've not said this, there are other people who have helped me in my journey. Like recently I've been seeing Linux Hub showing reviewing my distros. That is so good. And another person, I cannot even forget him, is the ArchLinux developer. So far those are people who they have been interested to, or they have been helping me in this journey, but mostly the ArchLabs developer helped me a lot. Okay, afterward someone told me to, because it was mine, I was building it to use it in my day-to-day life. Like, it wasn't for every person, it wasn't public, but when I had a friend of mine told me to develop it for more people because he was interested to run it, then I decided to give it out everyone to use it. Yeah, so let's start. This is our configuration. Here I have this one, you know it. I will not talk about that one. We have been talking about it many times. My scripts. Here I have some medias. Just I added them to test your sound. For this I copied the idea of ArchCraft to that idea, and also we have here our portable, and then here we have our scripts here. And then I will not go through scripts, you know them well. And here we have some wallpapers. So these are our configurations where they are DKRC, and then SXHKDRC. So this is my configuration. There's nothing much here. And also I don't want to make these videos long, just basic. And then here this is a configuration, the SXHKDRC configurations. I have added our scripts here, and then other things here. You can the functionality of the window manager. So I will not go on. Okay, I've put okay here. This section helps you to have a floating windows like the way you see right now my Thuna here. And also okay, it uses this format. I've seen it even in i3 has this also such format, but not with this one. There is a way i3 does it, but again the syntax is not so different. And here where this is our windows, the color, borders and everything. We have spaces, gaps, and I've added here my portable, and what else? Fe, I'm using Fe as which handles my wallpapers. And here we have a scratch pad, of which here doesn't work here. And yeah, that is it. Our scripts are here, and here this section I've added even this one, which will help you to change your configurations, I mean your wallpapers. Let's try it out and see. Alt Control R, it changes your wallpapers like that. Yeah, okay. So already there I have them. ShrikeLinux, I have them on I have them here. Here, this is DK-WM. The ISO is there. You can go there and download and test it. yeah, if there is something which have not configured well, you can help me by sending email. My email, you know, most of people know. I think, okay, not, I don't get a lot of emails, but I see there are some people, they have been sending me emails to help me to know what I should do, because I've never done a project, a public project. Yeah, so those people are helping me to satisfy everyone's need, and I love it. I love doing so. Yeah, and also I'll make a video on this i3. I have another one here, i3, and also for this reason, I mean for ShrikeLinux, okay, here's ShrikeLinux does is going to have a lot of window managers, and this is the environment where I'll put the window managers. On Shrike we just have one. It will be BSP. Kampala Linux, I'm still figuring out. I'm still waiting for some people to recommend me which window manager they would like to run in Kampala Linux. But in ArchLabs, yeah, I got like 6 people who told me they need BSP. That's why we have a BSP WM this row there. It's here. This is it. Yeah, this is our first release. But again, I expect you to send me email or to comment to help me to know what really you like. If you wish to run ShrikeLinux Uganda distros, I welcome you to tell me what to do. I have time, and I will humble to serve you the way you wish. Alright, so that is our video for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.